Hello everyone, my name is Aryabhata and I am from BCA PPU second year batch 1. I am giving a presentation on history of C, in which we will know about development of C through various stages. Coming to the next slide, influence of algol. The root of all modern programming language is algol, which is also known as algorithmic language. It was firstly developed in 1960. It was the world's first language to use block structure. Block structure means where we treat every block of code as a single unit, where we can this block of code can be used in many stages, such as nested. If coming to the next slide, development of B language. Martin Research developed a language which was originally derived from algol language in 1967. This language was called BCPL, which means Basic Command Programming Language. It was a typeless language. Then again, after that, Ken Thompson developed a new language which was called as B, which was also derived from the root language algol. It was developed in 1970. Both of the languages such as BCPL and B were typeless. Typeless means these languages does not have any data types, which was a big drawback of these languages. Origin of C language. In this file system, in 1967, Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson developed a file system for Bell Laboratories to provide a convenient environment for programming. This file system evolved into a early version of Unix programming language. Then it was implemented on PD7 computer. Then again, after that, C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie, which root language was both BCPL and B language. The main development that Dennis Ritchie did in this language was simply it implemented data types in B language, and and it used compiler instead of interpreter, which was used by a B language. Conclusion: the evolution of C programming language has had a big impact on the development of any field, which is now widely known in world. Thank you. That's all from my side.